Hello everyone, my name is Mika and welcome to the first episode of Kakanin series video recipe of Miguelitos. Today, we will be making our all-time favorite kakanin, the Ube Halaya. Ang kailangan na ingredients ay 2 cup ng evaporated milk, 2 cup ng water, 1/2 cup of condensed milk, and 1/2 bar of softened butter. And our very own Miguelitos Instant Ube Halaya Mix. First, let's prepare the aluminum foil pan or lianera by lightly brushing it with oil and then set aside. In a large mixing bowl, add all the wet ingredients, and once it's thoroughly dissolved, you can add the Miguelitos Instant Ube Halaya Mix. Transfer the mixture into a saucepan under medium heat and bring the mixture into a simmer until it thickens. To serve, you can garnish with latik or shredded cheese. Our Miguelitos Instant Ube Halaya Mix is only 150 pesos. And you can make 3 tins of Ube Halaya and you can sell each for 75 to 100 pesos. Also, this is really perfect pang regalo at pang negosyo ngayong holidays. For orders, visit our official Facebook page and we are also available in Shopee and Lazada. To be updated for more video recipes of Miguelitos, don't forget to click the ring bell button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And that's it! Miguelitos ang best partner mo sa negosyo.